Okay. Hello.
Hello.
We're just gonna jump right in because I am excited. I am so excited because me and my friend on the other side, which you cannot see, or me, we're going to be playing their Murder Mystery 2. Now this is gonna be fun, right?
Yeah.
Right.
What the scary faces are you going? This map sucks.
I'm just gonna hope that my recording doesn't crash again.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Ah! Ah, I heard the murderer. I heard the murderer.
You heard the murderer?
I heard the murderer.
What?
It's
Joining a friend, I'll just press play. This might take a second now that I think. Joining a friend. I'm like, killer! You killed somebody? You killed a man!
I killed the murderer, but I didn't say I killed him.
Really?
Yeah, 1 second.
Did he kill you? Oh yeah, I see you. This is my friend right here. He's awesome.
1 second. Was I actually screen recording?
Were you actually screen recording?
I don't know. That's why
I am. I know that I am.
I'm not.
You're not actually screen recording?
It's not working.
What?
You?
What?
Yeah.
Okay, that is weird.
Oh, there we go. I had to continue recording down.
Oh,
Okay.
Alright. We have to select the maps and everything. I don't know.
Okay.
Can I get rid of this? This
Do that. So in 3, 2, 1.
Is it?
Oh, hello guys. Hello. I'm actually recording this time. So
This time. Wow, we have so many casualties in one video.
I know. This isn't the best.
Yeah. This wasn't. I don't know. Oh. I'm just gonna go for what everybody else is doing.
Okay.
I just jumped in the pile of girls.
So that's the secret layer.
If I can actually make it in there, that'd be great. Oh.
Wait, fast.
Hey! Neither of us made it in. I had a 3% chance.
Innocent.
By the way, guys, don't be mean to us in the comments and stuff, because we are helping each other out, yes, but
We still get to kill each other.
we still get to kill each other if one of us is the murderer.
Oh,
or
okay.
the
I
other
just heard the
one.
murderer.
What?
I just heard the murderer kill.
Where?
I don't know. I just heard it.
You heard the murderer kill.
Yeah.
That's not a very good sign.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's not you.
That was me. That was me.
Oh, that was you. I can't see your gamer tag, so it's hard to kind of tell if it's you or not.
Murderer!
Where? Oh! Run! Oh, run!
I'm running.
I am
I
running.
wish
too.
I had the gun.
Going in the basement. Oh.
Get out! He's coming! Ah!
Was that the murderer right there?
I don't know, but I'm scared. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. The murderer's coming.
Oh, we won!
Let's go!
We did this together! Yeah. Okay, but guys, as I was saying, don't post
Don't
bad
bully me.
comments.
Why you bully us?
Don't, I don't know. Don't virtual.
Julia, stand still.
What are you calling? Why are you calling on my head?
Wait, just stand still, okay?
Okay, I'm standing still. Oh, vote.
Hey!
Vote, hospital. Okay, hotel. Yeah, animation. I don't say animation because I don't know. Well, yeah, but I don't really care for it. Let's start. I'm innocent.
I'm Sheriff. I'm Sheriff, Julia.
Oh, hi!
Sheriff.
See, usually I always spawn by your friend, but now I just spawn right by you. Okay,
Julia, look.
what? Oh wow, you have 2 guns now. One on your hip and one in your hand. Wait, you know what? I'm gonna hide in here. Don't tell anybody I'm in here. This is like, kind of. So
Somebody's got the knife.
somebody's got the knife. Well,
I
yeah.
heard it.
Wait, is my hand
We did
sticking
it.
out the door? I can't tell.
Who did this?
I killed him! You killed the murderer?
Yeah.
That was a quick game.
You like
That was cool.
now? Oh.
Oh
That-
yeah.
This is gonna be my profile forever now since I got a YouTube channel. This is gonna be
Yeah.
my profile forever.
I'm probably gonna stay like this, but if I don't, then Don't blame me. I don't know.
For fun stuff, I'm gonna probably change it.
Alright, what should we do? Don't jump, because then it doesn't count as a vote. Voting that, huh?
Cool boy. 4, 5, 4, 6.
I'm not gonna tell you where I am. Even though you might be able to find me eventually. Left. So I think I'll be good. For right now.
You gotta go somewhere private.
I'm gonna spectate you, by the way, because I don't know.
You can't spectate while
Oh, I can't. Really? Why? Alright, well, okay, I guess.
No.
See, I know I should be kind of like playing the game, but I mean, I am playing the game. I like doing this. I'm looking at the door, like I'm looking over here. I don't know if you guys can actually see my mouse. I'm sure you can. That's fun. I'm looking over here because that's where the door is. Because, so if he goes through there, then I don't know about left. I don't. Victory XP. Go. And again, I don't really care about the coins. I don't really care about that stuff. I just like to play. You know? That's what I do. Eventually I'm going to get this whole YouTube thing set up, and eventually I will make good, better videos than what I do today. What's your coins? I'm just waiting for you to walk where I am, and then just knife me. I have 1,000 victory XP if I win. I'm wondering, am I the last person left? Nope. Nope. Definitely not the last person left. I don't even know how to tell if I'm the last person left.
No shoot. No shooty.
No, I'm not gonna do it. I don't know what to do. I kind of feel like talking, but I don't know what to talk about. And then the thing is, why does this happen? Yeah. I'm just waiting for you to walk through there and knife me in the gut.
Okay, only one.
That's not good. Wait, do footsteps fade away?
No.
No? Oh.
No.
Then you might actually be able to find me. Slowly but surely.
Oh, dang it!
You died.
Yeah.
I won! I survived!
Good job.
Yeah!
Good job.
I feel accomplished. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, you were using the Alex knife?
Yeah, that's the only knife I have.
I thought you said you had the sub knife.
I gave that to you.
Did you?
Yeah, I gave you the ice knife. Everybody starts off with a knife and a gun. Everybody.
I thought you gave me the sub knife.
No.
Alright, which one?
Somebody was
Which
trying
one?
to give that to me. This one.
It might. No, it's not gonna be factory. Well, we tried. We tried. Oh. Alright, oh, what the? Why am I lopsided?
I'm innocent.
I'm innocent as well.
Julia!
Hi. Alright, where are we gonna hide?
I don't know. I don't.
What?
I just found a secret place.
Secret place?
Secret vent. I heard that.
Oh, what happened?
I'm hiding in the vents. I'm hiding in the vents.
I'm hiding in the vents as
Are you
well.
sure you got your sound on, Julia?
I want to hide in the vents, but I don't want to.
Alright. Sorry. I gotta tell you. It's the intro. Junky J. Junky J. There's the junkies of the J's.
Huh.
I just got the gun. Julia. Get to the vents. Get to the vents.
Why? There's no vents in here. Or there are places to hide.
Hide there.
They're not very. I think I did it. Oh no! No! Jaden! Help! It's right by me! Help! Ah! 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 Ah!
Oh, dang it!
He killed me!
He killed me too!
He got a double kill!
Ah.
Oh, that was so close!
Junky J, Junky J, Junky J. Okay, I'm gonna give out some shoutouts tonight.
Yeah. So, we got some shoutouts. Alright, what are the
Okay,
shoutouts?
so we got Melancholy. We got my friends from school, Pete the Pancake, Smelly Joe, Nehemiah, and Josh.
Yeah.
Those are my shoutouts tonight.
For tonight.
Woo! I like being a murderer.
I don't. Not really. This would be like...
I forgot.
I don't know. What are you doing?
Hey, I sing on your head.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna.
I will not accept...
It's the murderer.
What?
It's the murderer and one more person.
Okay. Whoa.
Well, there's a dead body.
Okay, I'm not
Get
gonna...
the gun, please, get the... How stupid are you?
You're never gonna know where I am once you come back from spectating.
Are you sure about that?
Maybe. You might know where I am. Oh.
Hello there. Look at that dude.
Bye. 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 Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I'm coming for you.
Okay, I was standing around in the room.
I saw your dead body.
Oh my goodness, I think he's close to her. I think he's close. Oh! Oh, there's some dead bodies there. There's some dead bodies. That's not good. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's a showdown! Oh!
Murderer wins.
Oh, oh, that was so cool. That was cool. Alright. What maps are we doing? PS.
I will be showing you what I do in our house, but I'm doing all the chassis right now.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, which one? Hotel. Everybody go.
Map 2, the worst map ever. In my opinion.
How is it bad? Isn't all you do walk around in general?
No. There's only computers in that map. I'm
Okay.
innocent.
Oh, I see you!
I'm
I
innocent.
think this is...
Okay, after this one, do you want to play Mad City or something? No.
Sure.
It's anything but Mad City now.
Alright. Even though Mad City is a lot of fun, recording stopped for a second. I got its own.
La da 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 da.
Alright, well, one more round and then...
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Alright, we're recording right now. And, okay, so technically I'm going to make a part 2 on this because, well, I mean, this has been going on for 13 minutes, but me and my friend on the other side are going to play a part 2 on this, which is going to be right after this video is uploaded, because why not? But, okay, we will come back to you later.
okay,
And,
join.
Alright, we will be back for a part 2.